Hello, I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube by 2 by 2. First thing you want to do is solve all the lights. Then solve the yellow right in place, like I'll be showing you in this video. Now, you can see the ladder. There's nothing. I don't know, but you guys know it. Walk by myself. Peeps. I don't know if you guys do this. It's right you guys right. So you want something like that. Something like that. It's not the right place. Oh, sometimes it won't work for you. Like how I did it. You seen how I did it? I solved the one. Now I'm gonna solve the yellow. I got one piece yellow done. So like that, and then you want to switch. Never keep looking. I got blue, but that's not. Let me show how to solve it. It's cute. It's more like that. That one's still one. Pull that one down. So now I have two. If it's like this, then you want to push up, slide, down, slide, up, and you slide down. You might not see it because it can hide anywhere. Pull this down. Oh, I know you don't want that. Pull it down now. Sometimes you can put it like that. That. Now two. Oh, dang, it's like this again. You don't really want it like. Oh. I saw white already. Have I? The only problem is it doesn't want to solve is because that and that, these two have to switch with that one. So that one goes that one, that one goes that one. That one, oh no, look, that one goes that one. That one stays that one. That one goes that one. And let's go. Queen, Junior, Bob. Bob has to go right there. Queen has to go there. Bob, Junior stays where he's. It's like, no. Queen goes here. Bob goes there, okay? Junior goes here. Let me show you. That. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah. That. And sometimes you can solve it like So now you have one step. Sometimes you switch like that. Switch up, switch down. If all you fellas are watching this video, you should probably be solving a 2 by 2 right now. Like this. My next video, I'll have this been solved. And then I'll solve it the easiest way to figure it out again. So always don't want anything right here until the last second. This could be solved easily if this was a run again. So there's a tutorial how to solve some whites and just have it all. Okay, yeah, I got it first again. So
What are you doing?
I'll just put it up here.
Oh, recording?
Yeah. So yeah, this is my grandpa and his truck. Where is it? Oh, bother. He's checking something. I don't know what he's checking. Ooh, see that? See that? So always look around. Oh crap, it's dark. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Moscato. No, we have it like that. I told you not to do it. See ya!